kidnapper's last victim?
Yeah.
The reason we couldn't find her in the database is because she used a fake ID when she rented the car.
She was running from someone.
Not running. Hiding. Her name is Giulia Matteo. She's a daughter of the ambassador of Italy, Mr. Matteo.
Special Agent Martinez. Are you the one in charge in finding my daughter?
Yes, Mr. Matteo. And we're doing everything we can to find your daughter and bring her back.
Of course you are. But if you don't mind, I will feel my people look for her too. See, we work together.
Mr. Matteo, no offense. This is an FBI investigation on American soil.
I understand your regulation, but what I say is, if I find him first, I will deliver justice.